betha ke le botsa nnete next time ro ba betha dimo ro ba betha next time ai get out hey good say sama dar tel lali ai itor ba betha la tel lali la sama ro ba betha Baroba sorris. Ya ashiri aibo. Ashiri aibo. Aba gafa ba re thusa tsa le ba yo bitsa mapodisa ba le biletseng ina kwa rena kereke go nna batho ba modimo o ka go lwa le kereke batho ba kereka o lwa le bona ba pale ke go jari nama go ba wa dile se wa le go ala tshwanetse re kry o moholo wa bona e ba tlile le yena ke mang nga mo kry a shu moruta a shu o tla kgona go bolela le
So you guys, just because we thought that the feud between Barnabas Shiro Lekganyane and of course the church leader Bishop Lekganyane is over after Shiro came to us and told us that Lekganyane is actually not the one who, has a problem with them. He says that after going to court, he realized that the bishops of the church are the one who have problems with him, and we thought that maybe they would finally, have truce. People were actually very much excited in the comment section to learn that Shiro can see that this is not what Bishop Lekganyane wants, but it is definitely influenced by Banna Bagolo ba Kerekeng. 4 days ago, I didn't publish this video, but 4 days ago, Oshiro Lekganyane published a video on his Facebook page, of course, whereby police, of course, were sent to his camp. And wow, let me just say, a brawl ensued. Shiro Lekganyane said, if the court said or gave instructions that Home Affairs must cancel the name Madi Tobane Barnabas Lekganyane, why can't you relax? I mean, now I was going to relax if I were you, of course, renting. You could see the chaos that the Venezuela Maphodisa caused there, because I think 4 days ago was a Sunday, if I'm not mistaken. So there was like a church service there, and the church probably disturbed I mean, the police probably stopped the church services, and apparently this means that they wanted him to cancel the name Maditebane Barnabas Lekganyane. We do know that Shego has been accused of just copying everything, copy and pasting the ZCC things like the uniform, the badge, basically from A to Z. And he was taken to court a few weeks ago, and then he came to us to report that he has won, and the court said that there's nothing that he should drop, not even the name, the ZCC, which means the Zion Creationist Church, which people compared it to the main, saying that he is insulting the church. And just 4 days ago, we see this. I have to say that this is kind of very much disappointing, especially after people thought that the two were probably gonna, have made peace. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, and of course do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.